Have you ever wondered why even after drinking plenty of water, your energy still crashes? Your circulation feels sluggish, and your body just doesn't seem to absorb hydration the way it used to after turning 50? Well, here's something that might shock you. Plain water may not be doing your body any favors anymore. In fact, drinking regular water without the right minerals could actually be flushing away vital electrolytes that your aging body desperately needs to maintain healthy blood flow, energy, and vitality. For more informative videos like this, subscribe to our channel, Dr. Kayla Health Tips. Now, let's dive deep into why this simple change, adding a key mineral to your water, can transform your circulation, improve your heart function, and make you feel more alive than you have in years. You see, as we age, our body's ability to retain and utilize essential minerals like magnesium, potassium, and sodium starts to decline. These minerals are responsible for maintaining proper muscle function, hydration balance, and most importantly, supporting the tiny blood vessels that carry oxygen and nutrients to every cell. When you drink plain demineralized water, like the filtered or bottled kind most Americans use, it can actually dilute the mineral concentration in your body. That means even if you're drinking your 8 glasses a day, your cells might still be starving for the electrolytes that allow your heart, arteries, and muscles to function efficiently. Magnesium, in particular, is the mineral that experts call the spark of life because it's involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body, and including the regulation of blood pressure, nerve transmission, and the relaxation of blood vessels. Without enough magnesium, your arteries become stiffer, your blood flow slows, and your energy drops dramatically. Studies have shown that low magnesium levels are linked to poor circulation, fatigue, and even erectile dysfunction in men and lower libido in women over 50. And here's the worst part. The majority of people over 50 in the US are chronically deficient in magnesium because of modern diets, stress, and drinking plain water that lacks natural minerals. Now imagine this. Every time you drink plain water, it moves through your digestive system like a cleaning solvent. It hydrates temporarily, but it also washes away electrolytes through urine. That's why so many people feel bloated, tired, or even dizzy despite drinking plenty of water. The fix, however, is surprisingly simple. Adding just a small pinch of mineral-rich salt, like Himalayan, pink salt or sea salt, or a few drops of a high-quality liquid magnesium supplement to your water can dramatically improve how your body hydrates and circulates blood. These minerals help your cells absorb water more efficiently, support blood vessel elasticity, and help your heart pump stronger and smoother. Think of it as upgrading your hydration system from a leaky garden hose to a high-pressure, well-tuned machine. When your cells get the right mix of water and minerals, they can exchange oxygen and nutrients better, flush toxins faster, and deliver energy to your brain and muscles at lightning speed. Another major benefit of adding magnesium or trace minerals to your water is that it supports nitric oxide production, the key molecule that relaxes and widens blood vessels. Nitric oxide is what gives you that warm, alive feeling after exercise or a healthy meal. It helps blood flow freely to your heart, brain, and even the smaller capillaries responsible for skin glow and sexual function. That's why improving blood flow isn't just about preventing heart problems, it's about restoring youthful performance in every part of your body. When your circulation is optimized, your metabolism works better, your brain stays sharper, and your energy levels remain stable throughout the day. Many doctors and nutritionists now agree that hydration after 50 should not just be about water quantity, it's about water quality. The water you drink must contain the same kind of electrolytes your body used to absorb naturally from food and natural sources before modern processing stripped them away. For example, magnesium-rich water from natural springs used to be the norm for human hydration. Today, filtered and bottled water often has zero mineral content, leaving your body dehydrated at the cellular level. So what's the right way to fix it? It's simple. Start by adding a pinch of unrefined sea salt or a drop of liquid trace minerals into every glass of water you drink. You can even mix magnesium glycinate, powder, or a magnesium citrate supplement into your morning routine. Some people prefer squeezing lemon juice into mineralized water, not just for flavor, but because lemon provides vitamin C and potassium, both of which boost circulation and vascular health. Over time, this simple change helps stabilize your blood pressure, reduces leg cramps, and enhances overall energy. Many people over 50 who make this adjustment report sleeping better, feeling less fatigued, and even noticing improvements in their mood and memory. Why? because proper hydration at the cellular level keeps your brain neurons firing efficiently and your cardiovascular system working like a well-oiled engine. In contrast, dehydration silently drains your vitality. When your body lacks minerals, your blood becomes thicker, your heart has to pump harder, and your tissues receive less oxygen. This creates a ripple effect. You start feeling cold hands and feet, slower recovery after activity, and constant tiredness. The truth is, after 50, your body is less forgiving of poor hydration habits. You can't just chug water and expect it to work miracles. It's time to drink smart, not just drink more. Adding minerals back into your hydration routine is one of the simplest anti-aging hacks you can do for your body. The results are noticeable: smoother skin tone, better focus, stronger endurance, and a more youthful pulse. Some studies even suggest that people who maintain optimal mineral levels live longer because their circulatory system stays younger for longer. Think of minerals as the conductors of your body's electrical system. Without them, every organ, from your heart to your brain, operates below capacity. And when you restore those minerals, suddenly everything starts to work in harmony again. So next time you fill up your water bottle, don't just think about hydration. Think about nourishment. Give your body what it's been missing all these years. You can take your results even further by pairing mineralized water with foods high in potassium and magnesium like spinach, avocados, almonds, and dark chocolate. These foods work synergistically with mineral water to promote better blood flow and balanced electrolytes. And remember, consistency is key. It's not about one glass. It's about making mineralized hydration a lifestyle. Over time, your arteries become more flexible, your blood pressure becomes steadier, and your energy feels more stable than it has in years. You'll notice that mental fog lifts, your muscles recover faster, and even your sleep improves, all because your cells are finally hydrated the way nature intended. In short, don't drink plain water after 50 if you want to feel truly hydrated and full of life. Instead, supercharge your water with essential minerals and give your body the building blocks it needs to restore circulation and vitality. Your blood flow, your heart, and your overall health will thank you for it. This one small change could be the difference between aging fast and aging strong. So make the smarter choice starting today. For more health secrets, practical wellness tips, and expert advice designed especially for people over 50, make sure you subscribe right now to Dr. Kayla Health Tips, because your health, energy, and longevity deserve the best knowledge science has to offer.